You're gonna knock it over right now with your stupid tail. Turn around, retard. Hey, go that way. Yeah. Keep going a little farther. Yep.
No.
Let's get the cardboard. Just throw it in the air.
Here, let it go. I have a video. Let it go.
Oh, get out. It's eating right now. Yeah, there's probably so much.
Lift it up.
Watch your feet, rabies.